And good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. You've made it through another work week, and today looks really nice overall. We're going to see a nice mix of clouds and sun. We've got some high clouds around the area today. Expect to stick around in most areas, but for the most part, we will be very nice and seasonable again today with temperatures in the upper 70s to even low 80s today. So we continue to trend just slightly warmer each day. And if you didn't hit 80 degrees yesterday, especially on valley floors, I think you're going to get awfully close and probably going to hit it today, especially Wilkes-Barre, Scranton area. But down even in the southeast part of the state, you guys see temperatures in the low 80s, which is more about seasonable for this time of year. Now, we're going to really be trending towards the heights today because I want to talk about quite a few things with our pattern, especially as we get in this weekend. The weekend overall, not going to be bad. Don't get me wrong, not bad at all. But again, there's always a couple things to talk about. So we have this large upper level ridge. It's in these yellow and red colors. It's kind of hard to see it behind my text, but this is what it'll be moving in early next week. I'll get to that in a minute. But what I'm looking at here is this upper level trough. You can kind of see by these blue colors here, and I have this purple line that indicates where this trough really is, and you can kind of just see it here to the right. It just kind of pushes over New England Saturday night and into our Sunday. A few showers will be possible with this as usual, but I also wanted to bring this into the picture today, a sounding for Saturday night. I know it's been a while since I've brought in soundings, but it's always good. It's your largest atmospheric calculator, so you might as well use it. So we're looking at the red line down here, which is, or I should say in my orange box here. So the red line here, temperature, green line here, dew point. Now, you can kind of see down by the surface here. So right down here is the surface. And as you work your way up through the atmosphere, the pressure is here on the left. You can kind of see how those lines aren't close to each other. What does that mean? That means the atmosphere, or this layer of the atmosphere, is relatively dry. And this system overall, and any kind of showers that are going to want to move through will be moisture starved. So any showers that do end up occurring throughout the area will be very light and will not amount to much overall, just because of that cap inversion right here, which is a little bit of warm layer aloft right at the surface, as well as how dry it is throughout the layer through about 3 kilometers. So whenever you have that dry layer, especially down near the surface, that's not very productive for any shower or thunderstorm development overall. So I think most of us will stay dry Saturday night into Sunday, and realistically, that's going to be our only chance of rain. And the HRRR radar guess for 11 p.m. Saturday just kind of shows some of those lighter showers out across central PA, and I believe most of northeastern and southeastern PA will be dry throughout this period. So central PA, watch out for a couple of those light showers associated with that trough. Other than that, most of us will be remaining dry. Now, as we get into early next week, we're still looking at the ensembles from the ECMWF, or the European, I should say. You can kind of see that upper level ridge building over us now. You can kind of see those red colors and yellow colors, or I should say yellow and red colors, moving over our area. And this upper level ridge is very amplified because it's so large and it's got some pretty high heights to it, especially up here in Canada. So that begins to build early next week. And what those yellow colors means are basically, these are warmer columns of air. And when you have a nice upper level ridge over the area right here, this is something that gives us a little bit more warmth to the area, and it gives us a little bit of a boost to our average temperatures and high pressure over the region as this thing builds. So it will be dry next week, start the week, but it will be above average. We'll see temperatures once again in the mid to upper 70s for most of us, even the low 80s for some of us, especially in valley floors in southeastern PA. So we will be seeing the warmth make a return, and fall will be on a hold, as you've seen in my last post. Everyone, have a great weekend. I'm sure it'll be enjoyable for sure. Will not be bad at all. And I'm meteorologist Mike Javer.